Right, so this little video demonstrates the open document text or writer or Word document functionality. So I've sped up my dithering around programming. I was just trying to make just a VI that does lots of bookmarks. So the document you saw first of all was my issue reporting document. So all I've done is bung in all the bookmarks, which you can see in the string array on the VI there, just because I've run it before and it's brought all the bookmarks in. So one of the functions of the open document text tool is to get all the bookmarks out, all the methods. So each bookmark has corresponding text. So in this I'm just building the example. So this is the reason I actually wrote the tool. It's because I want to incorporate automatic sort of text generation. So it's pretty standard bookmark plus the text it's going to replace or insert. So you can have two types of bookmarks, which I've discussed earlier. One which is a span of text, and what should happen, I'm a little bit unsure whether it does, I think it does, what should happen is that you overwrite that text, or you have just a bookmark and then you stick text at the end of it. It's written to cope with that, so if it doesn't I need to know really. So the way it works is you open it, you load your template, you can look at your bookmarks, you then add texture to your bookmark, you can then save it and then close it, and that's all the functionality I've got at the moment. But it was good enough for actually what I needed it to do. I'm intending on adding insertion of tables, duplication of pages, and insertion of images. Okay, so I'm just going to tidy up the block diagram just because I'm that way inclined. And I'm going to give it a new name, and there you can see it's just created a PDF as well, which is a bit of code at the end. And here's the VI, here's the filled out form in LibreOffice with the text that I've bunged in. So quite happy with that. And there's the PDF being printed, so there's a little bit of command line stuff you can do. It's very clever. I was very impressed with LibreOffice. So off the command line you can tell it to convert text, which is rather nice. So here is actually what I want to use it for. So this is my project management tool, which pretty much runs most of our processes, software processes, and part of it is issue reporting. I forgot whether I had hit recording or not. So just load the project manager and then go and have a look in the display bugs. So this goes off to my virtual private server and brings back bugs for various projects. So this one I'm actually looking up at myself. Then I can select a issue and I can create an issue report. Do that. So yeah, it's okay. I was expecting that to error, but you can see it just updates there on the desktop. The job is a good one. That was it. So we can open that in Word if we so choose. I have to say I'm not a great fan of the new Word interface. not the reason I went to LibreOffice, but that works quite nice. Or LibreOffice, or OpenOffice as well, and any other open document format. But it's easy, all filled out. And actually, that bug's cured now because I've just fixed it. Hurrah! So I can actually set that to closed, resolved. So have a quick look at the code. Pretty simple, really. Much as what you saw me building in my example there. So, file path, there it is. So rather than do it singly, I chuck it into a for next loop like that, and I bring it all in from the database. Actually, it's not from the database. Well, I suppose it is from the database. It's from the list box, and away we go.